Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm doing the customization number 2 category for the FabFitFun Winter Box of 2023. It's been a long time since I've done these videos, and honestly, I haven't looked at the spoilers. Like, I haven't pre-looked except for customization number 1. That one was so hard to choose from. There were so many good items. And so I'm just kind of like surprising myself and kind of reacting to them and like, so that's what we're doing. If you enjoy these videos, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want more of these where I talk about them, give my opinions, see if I've tried them, yada yada, because I've been doing these spoilers since 2019. Except for I fell off the wagon. I haven't looked at these in like a year, so I just want to get back into FabFitFun and just see if it's worth it again, But anyways, enough jib jab. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So thumbs this video up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I did see the first spoiler because obviously I'm here looking at FabFitFun choice spoilers for number 2 category. And first up, we have the NARS Air Matte Lip Color in Chaser, Joyride, Surrender, Shag, or Thrust. $28 value that you can choose from. Dogs are barking. I actually pulled mine out to see if I had any of these colors because I have 3 here. And I do have this color, which is Shag. It's much more of like a deeper peak color. I feel like this is one of those formulas that not everyone's into. Like, I don't really like them. They have this velvety texture that isn't, in my opinion, like yummy. I don't really care for the texture, and they don't last on the lips. So that's my first opinion to give. They don't last on the lips, and I don't like the texture very much. But it says, we've never included this many shade options for a single product, and we're realizing decision fatigue is real. Your perfect match is waiting for you, whether you're looking for a bright pop of color or a more neutral everyday shade. So this is definitely one of those reapplying ones. It's one of those that for some reason you get this like ring around the inside of your lip, if you know what I mean. You definitely don't like it, and it happens pretty quickly, so it might make sense why they have so many colors. They're probably not selling these. They came out in 2020 or 2021 because I actually reviewed them on top of their mousse cream blush. This recent one I just got last month in IPSY, and I don't think I've seen these in subscription boxes before, so the fact that now we're seeing them, they're really just trying to get rid of them, so yeah. Next up, we have a product from Elemis, the Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream, which has a $49 value. Elemis, we absolutely love. It says, overlooking the eye area when it comes to skincare is a common mistake that is seen far too often. So adding this eye recovery cream into your routine is a must. You may be lacking a little sleep, but it definitely won't look like it. Peptide 4 hydrates like a cream and protects like an oil, so you can fake a good night's sleep. If you're someone like me who gets tons of subscription boxes, yada yada yada, I feel like eye cream is one of those things you don't need a lot of, and then when you're constantly getting them in subscription boxes, it's overwhelming. You're never going to use them all. It sucks. So thank God this is a choice, because if you're someone who does not need another eye cream, check this one off. You don't need it. But that's also another thing that makes FabFitFun so amazing. You get a variety of products, and it's a perfect box to get for gifting. Like, you want to get a box and then you have all these different things that you can gift to people for birthdays, holidays, yada yada. That's what I think FabFitFun is perfect for, is like the people that always need a gift to give, and this is one that's always going to just come to your door. You pick it and you're like, this will be perfect for my friend so and so, this will be perfect for my friend so and so, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, next up, these are gorgeous. This is the Macy Blackwell cheese knives, a $40 value. It says this cheese knife set is here to up your holiday hosting game. The hard cheese knife, soft cheese knife, and forked tip knife in the beautiful gold finish will add the perfect touch to your appetizer spread. These are gorgeous. Like, I used to love having my coochie board, and now I can't because as of August of last year I actually have alpha gal, so I can't eat red meat, so no more you know, pepperonis and all the things, and my lactose intolerance, because it's coming from animals with hooves, I can't eat as many cheeses as I used to, because I can't. I don't know why, it's just really increased my intolerance for lactose, so love that for me. Next up, we have these really pretty citrine Atlas cocktail glasses with a $40 value. We feel pretty fancy and sophisticated sipping from these lightweight glasses add a touch of elegance to any party. These are cute. I don't find this to be like the best choice considering, like, yeah, it's a $40 value, but there are so many glasses at like that home store, TJ Maxx, yada yada, that you can get in a set for like $9.99, $12.99. And if you're someone who wants to just have, you know, a high box value, I guess this is cool. But if you're like, I need some new glasses, if there's something else that you would rather have, I would pick that before this. Go to TJ Maxx, pick one up. They have them for dirt cheap, so you're welcome. Next up, we have beautiful glass candlestick holders from the brand Poquito. This is a $56 value. Now, this is one thing I don't see often, so this is actually really cool. I love the color of the glass. Really pretty. These candlestick holders are an absolute must for any tablescape, and we're absolutely living for the sophisticated, elegant, yet fun look. The reflective glass adds dimension and a light, airy feel, whether they're catching rays of sunlight from the window or the warm glow from the candles over a delicious dinner. I am just dying over the color. That's beautiful. I like those. Next from Olaplex, we have the number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum, which is a $30 value. It says looks can be deceiving, and silky strands that emerge after using this product are as strong as they are soft. The light liquid formula utilizes patented Olaplex bond building technology that instantly protects and shields hair from pollution while reducing tangles and adding shine. This is a product I need in my life. My hair gets tangled so easily. I can feel from like right here, like in this area, it just goes from being like soft to like it needs to go. So I need that. Next, we have a beautiful cake stand from the brand Susie Cakes LLC, which is a $30 value. I like how it has almost a scallop look, but it's not scalloped. It's like a wavy, like triangle, like mushed look, if that makes sense. It says you'll get extra points in the presentation department when you display sweet treats on this cake stand. It fits a 9-inch cake perfectly, or an array of delicious cupcakes. You won't know if everyone is eyeing the dessert or the gorgeous stand. I also love this color. The only thing that I don't like about it is the fact that it's not one of those cake stands that have like the glass top, because like for me, I have 7 dogs, 3 cats. I have pigs and goats that come in and out of my house sometimes for like no reason whatsoever. I don't want the hair and the dust and the dirt getting on my dessert in the process of everyone eating and waiting for it, you know? So I would rather have a top. But if it's one of those things where it's like, you know, I don't know, I'd rather just have a top on it at all times until it's ready to eat. But I guess that's because of the environment I live in. It's like I'm a dirty hoe. So it might be different for you. You might not have animals. But dust still gets all over it. I don't know. I'm weird about that. Next up, we have some beautiful earrings from Ana Luisa. This is the Tuda mini earrings, gold tone, a $65 value. If you don't want to commit to a double piercing but love the look, these earrings are the answer. These double hoop earrings are a fun, unique twist on traditional hoops. Whether you stack them with some gold studs or wear them alone, they're an elegant yet elevated complement to any holiday party look. Which I do agree, these are really cute. I recently got my ears pierced, and when I say recently, I got them done in 2021. I have Bubble Bar Minnie Mouse earrings in right now that I got last November from TJ Maxx, and I'm realizing I'm a gold jewelry girl instead of a white gold or a silver like I thought I was. So I am really embracing the gold. So I'm obsessed with these, and I do want to get a second ear piercing. So I do like that this is like kind of like that, but not. I don't know. I think they're cool. I think they're cool, and they're really pretty. So that's all the spoilers. If I had to pick anything from here, oh boy, this one's hard. It's between these really pretty earrings or honestly the candlestick holders because they're so pretty. I probably would go with the candlestick holders because it just looks like beautiful decor pieces to me. I probably would never even light candles in them, just have them as decor in general. I think those are pretty, and then I would pick the earrings as second. And lastly, I probably would pick the cheese knives just for everyone else in the house, you know, to use and stuff and just to look fancy. So there you have it, you guys. Let me know what you guys would pick in customization number 2. What would you pick? What would your second choice be? Your third choice? All of that jazz. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!